Hello, so I'm Baron, and I'm going to introduce our MMB Android today, the multimedia video box. So once you open the package, you'll see our MMB here. So what this MMB Android does, it adds an Android system to your Apple CarPlay system. So on this Mercedes E class, there's a wired CarPlay function. So if you plug this into the USB port, what it does, it adds an Android system directly to the CarPlay system. So Google Play Store, you can download Netflix with Google Play Store, you can download YouTube, you can download anything that you want that you can find on Google Play Store. So, and then on this side of the package, there's all the cables that you need, the USB cable, the user manual, the GPS module to get a more accurate GPS signal as well. So let me take the product out and I'll show you how it works. So with the USB cable that we provide in the package, plug in the USB-C to the USB-C port of the product, and on this Mercedes E-Class it actually uses USB-A, so we'll be using that today. Type-C is supported as well if your vehicle uses a Type-C port. So I've plugged that in right now. Wait 10 to 15 seconds and the MMB Android main menu will show. The first time you plug in the device, it might take a while to calibrate the resolution. It might say configuring system, but that is all normal. Just wait a little for it to configure. So once the menu has loaded, it'll have a prompt: for your driving safety, please do not watch the videos while driving. If you acknowledge that, press I know. And so like that, you see an Android system which uses the Apple CarPlay function. So you have Google. So we have some apps pre-installed like Google Maps, and if you go swipe right a little, you go to more apps, and you'll see Google Play Store, you'll see YouTube, you'll see Netflix, and obviously you can download more apps from the Google Play Store here. So now I'll show you some functions. The main setting that you want to change first or connect first in this case is the Wi-Fi hotspot. So set up the hotspot on your phone and connect that so you can use any applications that require an internet connection. Let me do that right now. So so this MMB Android is actually compatible with iPhone and Android because it only needs a hotspot. So switch on the hotspot on your phone and then connect it on the MMB Android, and then it'll connect automatically and the Wi-Fi symbol will turn white. So once you've given the box hotspot connection, all the functions will work like so. That's the only setup that you need to do. So now I'll show you the phone cast function. The phone cast function actually has two sub-functions. One is called the TV screen here, and the other one is called a phone screen. The TV screen uses the YouTube inbuilt AirPlay function. So go on YouTube on your phone and then play any video, and you can use the inbuilt AirPlay function to directly AirPlay onto your vehicle screen. And you have the other phone screen, which basically just simply mirror links your entire phone screen. And then that which is compatible with both Android and iPhone as well. So I'm using an iPhone here, so I'll click into Apple Cast, and all the instructions of any function of the box will appear on the screen. And I've already connected the hotspot, so now I'll go to Control Center and I'll go into screen mirroring like directed on the screen, and I'll click onto the device's name. And within seconds, I'll mirror link wirelessly onto the vehicle's screen, like so. And then I'll choose a streaming app. Pick a video, and then the video will appear on the screen with volume control as well. And you can switch off your phone once you've played the video, once you've picked the video, like so. Volume control on the steering wheel works, or if you have a volume control on the center console, that will work as well. So once you've picked the video on the streaming app, you can lock your phone, and then the video will continue to play. And once you've done, once you want to change function or you want to use another app, simply go back to the main menu. Like so. And then there's a USB drive where you download HD movies and high quality music onto a thumb drive, and you connect that directly to the MMB Android. And of course the functions of this box is limitless because you have access to Google Play Store. Just simply log into your Google account and you can download any apps that you can find on Google Play Store. Finally, you can click into this car app, which takes you back to the factory screen. And to go back into the MMB Android screen, find Apple CarPlay function, click into that, and you're back into the system. Like so. Very easy to use, very easy to navigate menu. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us. Thank you.